Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this exclusive seed. It's called the Prickle Spitter seed in Plants vs. Brain Rots. So they recently put it out. You cannot get it in the shops, but basically there will be a button that will spawn on the screen. Obviously on the right here it says free seed. Basically you'll need to invite your friend to play this game. And once your friend joins the game and you exit it, you'll get the seed. The button did take a few hours for it to kind of spawn once I started playing the game. And if you do get out of the game on accident or something, it will disappear and you have to kind of wait for it again to show. I think for me it shows at night. I don't know, it doesn't show when I play in the morning or something for some reasons. But yeah, the spawn times for the button I think is random. I don't know, but that's what happened to me. So if it's not there for you, I think you just have to play the game for a while and then it's going to spawn. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.